bourbon, risky, bourbon,
well,
rye,
we're doing this again.
bourbon, rye, whiskey.
We're getting frisky.
Virginia is for Grubbers. Welcome back to another edition of Old Fashioned Friday. Today I have a special guest with me, Tonya Morris, also known as one of my best friends, also known as Tonya Michelle 26 on Instagram and Facebook. She is Northern Virginia's biggest blogger with almost 1 million followers. She also happened to just launch a clothing boutique called Shop Kenzie.
Yes.
Which I am wearing one of her pieces.
Yep. Me too.
This is called what?
The Annalise floral top.
And you are wearing?
The Barbosa kimono.
So you named the shop after?
Mackenzie, my daughter.
Who is, how old is she?
She turned 5 months today.
And how old is the boutique?
6 weeks.
Okay.
So it's a brand new business.
Small business, Northern Virginia. And it's only online, correct?
Only online. If you're local, I might start doing some sip-in shops for people who want to touch and feel everything. So we'll see.
By the way, we are in Middleburg, Virginia, Oyster Bar.
Yep.
And they happen to have another location
in Leesburg.
And I think they have one in Maryland too.
Yep.
But today we're in Middleburg,
yes,
which is downtown, super cute. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and jump into the old fashioned. Tonya, have you ever had an old fashioned?
No. Well, I've had a sip once in a while from Carl. This is actually Carl's favorite drink.
Okay.
So big man over here.
So what do you usually drink?
Moscow Mules is my jam.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, today we're gonna put a little hair on your chest, and you're gonna review this with me.
Let's do it.
So how this works is we are going to do 0 through 3 on overall appearance.
Okay.
0 to 3 on first sip. 0 to 3 on overall taste, and then 0 to 1 on overall ambiance. All right, let's go ahead and try this. So, cheers.
Cheers.
Take your first sip.
Oh, appearance.
Okay.
Appearance.
Sorry. So first thing we're gonna do is check on overall appearance. So the thing you want to look for is a big glass.
Yes.
You love all big things, you know, can never be too big. That comes with diamonds, glasses, all sorts of things. You want to have a Luxardo cherry, which they do have. You want to have a single cube, preferably clear. This is not clear, but it's still a single cube.
Yep.
And then an orange peel. So we have all of those things. I'm gonna go 2-7 on overall appearance.
I'm doing 2.5.
Cool. Okay, so cheers. First sip.
Cheers. I'm scared.
It's good, right?
Actually, it is.
It's a good introductory to whiskey because it's got a little bit of like sweetness to it. I think that was actually really good. So if I had to do first sip, I would do 2.7. 2.8. 2.8. That's pretty good considering it's your first one.
I know.
Okay, so we're gonna sip the whole thing, and we're gonna sip this because we can't chug it the way
there's
Jay
no
does.
way. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So just do a time lapse at this point, or come back to us in like 5 minutes. But until then, we're gonna do the ambiance of the place. I love Oyster Bar.
I do too. I love multiple times.
I love both locations.
Yep.
The food is bomb.
On par. Can't go. Anything on the menu is really, really good. It's always been really fresh.
The staff is so nice, so I'm gonna give it a full 1 on appearance. I mean, on ambiance.
Yeah, same here.
Go. Damn, Tonya, you drank yours really fast.
I know. So I've had sips of Carl's before, and this is really smooth.
Yeah.
Like super smooth.
It's made with father and son old fashioned, bourbon, risky, bourbon,
well,
rye,
we're doing this
whiskey.
again.
Bourbon, rye, whiskey.
We're getting frisky.
You know, the bourbon's getting to me. Anyways, okay, let's just do overall because we can't talk anymore.
Okay.
Okay, overall, I'm going to give this a 2.6.
I'm gonna do a 2.7.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Jay will add all that stuff up later. So
Yeah, I'm not adding.
Virginia's for Grubbers. Follow Michelle. Follow Shop Kenzie. Here's all her handles. Say all your handles, or point at the screen, and he'll put them there.
Tonya Michelle 26. Shop Kenzie Boutique. www.shopkenzie.com.
Ta-da!